Alright, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can update news and events on your school website. So most websites are a combination of what we call static content, right? Text or images, stuff that doesn't change very often, along with areas such as, for example, the news and upcoming events that are more dynamic. They're updated sort of frequently within the school. And on this particular site we even have a page here that is just the news and events. Go ahead and bring that up. So the news and events that we're seeing here are actually items that are defined inside your EDSB environment as News River items or school-wide events. So if we look here inside EDSB, you'll see that Welcome to EDSB, that's actually one of the items in the News River. So let's take a look at how we can add additional items and selectively push those to the web. We're logged in right now as a school administrator, and just like with any item that would get posted to the News River, we're going to go into the school first. And within the school, we can see all the articles that are here already. If I want to create a new article, I'm going to go ahead and click Submit an Article. We'll go ahead and fill in a title for that. I've got some text that I'm just going to paste into the body here. And then we also need an image. So I'm going to go ahead and click Browse to find an image. That is going to be the thumbnail for this article. So there it is. I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Now, in any school, all of the staff are permitted to submit articles. As a school administrator, I will have rights to approve it. So it's posted it, it's telling me that I can approve it, and because I'm logged in as a school administrator, I can come down here and there's my approve button. So by approving it, what I'm doing is I am posting this particular item actually to that News River. So up here at the top of this page, when we refresh, there is our picture day announcement. But that item is not yet on the web. If I want that item to be on the web, there's an additional step down here where I can come back to that item and I can say Show on Website. And as soon as I hit Show on Website, now when we come back here and refresh this, that article, Picture Day, it's the newest item under School News. If we click More, we get the full detail, and we're good to go. So it's really that easy. Events are much the same. Within EDSB, inside our school, we have a school-wide calendar. And here I can see all of the events on the school-wide calendar. If I want to create an event, maybe for whatever, a couple days, here we go. I will say here is a new event. All right, I can pick a date and time, and I can put in, maybe this is an online event, right? We'll maybe do this, zoom.com, whatever it is. And I'll go ahead and save this event. Oh, and the critical thing, right, is at the bottom here, I want to click Publish to Web. Right, so that is available to me as one of the web managers in the school. So when I save that now, it's not just on the school-wide calendar where people will see it inside EDSB, but when I refresh the site here, there's our new event. It even includes the link, so if we want people to come out to that Zoom link, it's all right there in terms of the location. So that is posting news and events to your school website. Thank you.